Tonight, the King 5 investigators exposed some people suspected of having the coronavirus are being isolated by King County health officials in local motel rooms.
King 5 investigator Susanna Frame joining us now with what you have uncovered, Susanna.
Joyce and Mark, it may sound outrageous, but King, Pierce, and Snohomish County health officials tell us this is a decades-old strategy to keep people with symptoms isolated when they have nowhere else to go. We got a tip that EMTs for American Medical Response Ambulance Company were alarmed when they got a call on Saturday to pick up a patient, give him a mask, and not to touch him. Just take him to a specific motel about an hour outside of Seattle and drop him off. King County Public Health confirms they asked for that ambulance transport to an undisclosed motel because the person had symptoms of the virus and needed testing and isolation until the results came back, but didn't have a place to make that happen. The county's top public health doctor says neither the public nor other motel residents have been put in harm's way. What would you say to people that say, hey, that doesn't even seem safe? I'm taking my family to maybe that same motel. What would you say to them?
Well, we follow all the guidelines to make sure it is safe. We don't put anyone in a public location at all if we think there's a risk to the public.
So it sounds like this is just a little known, not secret, but a public health protocol that's been going on for a long time that no one knew about. King County has tested 17 people for coronavirus. All have come back negative. There are no pending cases either. County health officials I talked to today say this is, like I said, a little known yet common practice, not just here, but across the country. But when you hear about it, it sounds crazy.
I had no idea.
Yeah, no one.
Susanna, thank you.
Thank you.